Now, Taylor, so I want to come to you. You mentioned the bird strategy. Could you talk about some mistakes you made throughout learning that process? Because you said you learned every property. So what are some of the mistakes that you made just as a rookie getting in the game that you couldn't learn from a book, you couldn't learn from a seminar, but you learned by actually being boots on the ground? And nice boots, by the way, boots on the ground.
Thank you. I definitely learned making mistakes. Like one of them was just picking the wrong contractor. Right, my first renovation was my house, and I ended up firing the general contractor. I think 60% of the way through the project. Wow. But like I was new, I didn't know, and obviously I had the bank there. It was a conventional loan, and the bank was kind of guiding me. But choosing that contractor was probably one of the biggest mistakes because I went with the lowest contractor, and yeah, we don't always like to do that because it comes back to bite you in the butt. And obviously, like you want to get multiple quotes from different contractors. Then nowadays, I'd never say choose the lowest because that always comes with a caveat. It always comes with, hidden agendas that you're not aware of. So definitely that. Definitely under budgeting for especially for 4 units. Lumber cost has increased. I think it's back down now, but that was a huge mistake that definitely changed the pro forma of the build. And yeah, those are two big ones. And then, picking tenants, that's a whole other story.